let's imagine you're an analyst at a financial service company and you have some concerns about bias and the way a predictive model was measured. How would you raise your concerns with your manager? So I would request a meeting with my manager to discuss concerns about the predictive model's measurement. I would provide context and explain the specific aspects of the model's evaluation that raises concerns. And I would emphasize the potential presence of bias. And I would use examples by illustrating instances where bias may have impacted the model's assessment and outcomes. I would highlight the implications and discuss the potential consequences of biases measurements, such as inaccurate predictions or unfair treatment. And I would propose solutions, like offering initial suggestions for addressing the bias and improving the measurement process. And some suggestions for avoiding measurement bias are diverse data representation, to ensure that diverse representation in the training data is there to avoid biases that may arise from underrepresented groups. Diversity in model development, like encourage diverse perspectives and backgrounds in the team, developing and evaluating predictive models. Third, continuous monitoring. You should implement and continuous monitoring of the model's predictions to detect and address bias as data evolves. And the last one is to incorporate stakeholder feedback. It means to collect feedback from stakeholders who may be impacted by model predictions to gain insights into potential biases. The last question is, or the last task is, to explain the difference between regression and classification models in predictive analysis. When would you use one of these models over the other? So the regression model predicts a continuous numerical outcome or variable, and the predicted value can fall anywhere along a range. So some examples would be predicting house prices, stock prices, temperatures, etc. The classification model predicts the category or class to which an observation belongs. So the predicted value is a discrete category or label. Some examples are spam detection. So the answer is it spam? Yes or no. Images recognitions, etc. When to use each model. So use the regression model when the target variable is continuous, when you want to predict a quantity or a numerical value, if the relationship between input features and the outcome is linear or can be approximately linearly. And you should use classification model when the target variable is categorical and belongs to a specific class, when you want to predict the probability of an observation belonging to a particular class, when the goal is to classify data into distinct groups. And you can consider it when choosing between regression and classification model. If the outcome variable is numerical, choose regression. If the outcome is categorical, I would choose classification. And if the outcome is continuous, use regression. And if it's categorical, use classification. Yeah, that's it so far from my side. I hope you enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon. Bye.